Hi guys, it is Gabrielle Ishell, and today I wanted to show you guys how I was able to install these really pretty faux locks. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hi guys, it is Gabrielle Ishell, and today I will be doing another protective style for you guys. I will be showing you how to do faux locks, and I'm so excited because a company reached out to me. Their name is ZRQ Beauty, and I will leave a link down below, and also I'll leave the hair in my Amazon store. But anyway, they reached out to me and they wanted to provide me with faux locks. So now you guys know why I'm here. Hair review. So they sent me these faux locks, and the bag is so cute. It says hair, and it's a drawstring bag. So I did go ahead and open it just because I wanted to know how I should part my hair for the locks. And if you have not seen my previous video, go ahead and watch that. I uploaded that one on Wednesday, and in that video I show you exactly how I achieved this look. I have 10 cornrows going back and about 18 individual braids along the perimeter of my hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I prepared my hair for the faux locks, go ahead and watch that video. I will leave it up. I will leave that up in the cards above and also in the description box below. So like I was saying, I have all these braids in my hair and I'm ready to crochet the locks in. They did send me these for free. And I did open one pack. This is what I was saying. I opened one pack because I wanted to see how far apart I should do my braids and my cornrows. So they are kind of small. Slide it out the pack. They are fairly thin. I think they are 24 inches long. So if I hold them back here, you can see how long they are. They do not fit in the shot, but anyway, they are kind of curly and the hair feels very lightweight and bouncy. So I'm looking forward to trying this. This is going to be my very first time doing this, so I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna learn together. So let's talk about the hair. I got the color 1B. This is a black color. They didn't have a dark brown, which is the color of my hair, but this was the closest thing to it. So they have a, so I'm looking on the side right now. They have a lighter brown and they have like a red and a blonde, but those obviously don't match my hair color. So I did choose the 1B. Yeah, there are 21 strands in each pack, and there are 6 packs in each order. They also provided these little hair jewelry. They're inside of the bag. I wish they would have put those in like a separate little bag so that they don't get thrown all over the place. Like there's one over there that fell out because I didn't know they were in here. So I like that they provide those. This is what the pack looks like. They are sealed at the top. And you see how they're like stuffed in here. These jewelry things. And oh, they also provide a crochet needle, so that's pretty cool. I was actually about to go get mine. So I am starting with a crochet needle and I'm closing the hook, and here is the pre-loop faux lock. I'm going to put the needle underneath my cornrow and attach the faux lock to the hook and pull through. And this is why I say in my previous video that you don't want to have your cornrows too tight, because you are pulling the lock underneath the cornrow, so you want to have space. And I've learned from experience that you don't want to have it too tight because it does hurt a little bit. Put the faux locks through the loop and just pull it snug so that it is secure. And you just keep doing that down the length of the cornrow. And in the beginning, I started to do the faux locks maybe like an inch apart, but once I came to the last few packs of hair and looked in the mirror, I noticed that I should have filled it in a little bit more. So I would do my faux locks closer than I have it here, because If you don't, you'll still be able to see a piece of the cornrow, and you don't want that. You don't want people to know that you crocheted these into your head. So that was the easy part. Now we are going to crochet the locks onto an individual braid. And I have my very last pack here, so I used up 5 packs already, and I'm starting with the individual braids in the front, and I'm going to do the same thing. I put the crochet needle underneath the braid and attach the faux lock and pull it through. This is all the same as when I was doing it with a cornrow, but now when I pull it secure and pull it snug, I'm going to essentially pull the braid through the lock. So like in between the lock is, I don't even know how to describe this properly, but right now you see me putting the needle through the lock, and basically the lock is just a circle, so inside there's just space. And now I'm going to attach the braid to the loop or to the hook, and I'm going to pull this through the lock so that my braid is no longer showing and it is literally inside of the lock. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this part was a little tricky when I was trying to do it the very first time, so I'm not gonna say that this was entirely easy to do. These individual locks are the most difficult part for me, but once I got it, I got it. The easiest thing that I found to do was when I'm pulling the braid through, since the braid is a little bit thicker than just like regular hair or like a strand or 2 of hair, it's best to kind of scrunch up the faux lock hair. Once you can feel a piece of the braid come through the end of the lock, it's best to just take that out of the crochet lock and scrunch the lock hair up so that you can pull the braid down. I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but if you actually try it that way, it really helped me out. So that's just one tip that I had. I was watching YouTube videos while I was attempting to do the first few, and I'm like, how in the world are they making this look so simple? So I'll show it to you guys one more time, and I hope my explanation of how I was able to do this is very helpful for you guys, because I was so confused when I was looking at the other tutorials. So I am done with my hair. I'm trying to get cute. But this is how the final look looks like. So this is the final look, and I have 8 left here. So that means I have 158 locks in my hair, which is a lot. But these are so light and soft that I can't even tell that I have this much hair on my head until I get hot. My neck starts to burn and whatever, but it's another story. So these are super cute, and since I did the front ones individually, you can't tell that they are crocheted in, I try to slick down my edges just a little bit. But yeah, if I wanted to put it up, I could. Ooh. And you couldn't tell, so that is the look that I was going for. It didn't take too long because I crocheted in, but this part was a little bit harder for me to do, especially since it was my first time. I think this is a super cute look. It is a look for sure. I'm gonna go take some photos for my thumbnail. But yeah, so you can wear it. Last night I went over one of my neighbor's houses and I just wore it up. This part was up and it was just hanging like that, and like I said, you can't tell that they are crocheted in. And then you can also like wear it up in the bun like this. I did this a lot when I had passion twists in my hair, so I think I might be doing that a lot with these, and that is super cute. And you can have one hanging as a like little bang. Oh, I love this. Or you can like put it all in one ponytail if you want to kind of get it off the back of your neck. You can do like 2 little balls at the top or buns at the top. There's a lot of things you can do. And now I'm going to use these pieces of jewelry because I didn't use them that much when I had my passion, or was it my spring twist? Well, I don't use them that often, so I'm going to go ahead and put some in my hair. Super cute. Oh, I forgot to show you guys how long they are. So if I stand up, you can't even see it in my shot. They go down to basically my hips, my waist. So very, very cute. I love it. So they only give you 15, but I have a few in my bathroom that I bought from the dollar store. I meant from the beauty supply store, and they were maybe like $1 or $2. So I'll add the rest of those in my hair later. But yes, this is so cute. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried faux locks, if you got them installed professionally, or if you did a DIY like I did. Let me know in the comments below if you think I did a good job, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button so you can come back and watch my other videos, and also click the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.